What's up, guys? How you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So yes, I have a knife box in front of me. Um, this is unmarked, but what is it actually? So it is from CCFFCC. This brand has been making the rounds around the YouTubes, and first saw it on Witty's channel, and he seemed impressed. So I said, well, might as well check it out since it kind of fits what I'm doing for my channel, which is checking out knife brands I haven't checked out before and collecting them like Pokemans. Anyways, let's get into it. I already pre-cut the box so I don't have to fumble with it because I fumble a lot. But let's look. Oh, so far so good. We got a knife and nothing else, which is fine. You don't have to have those extra goodies when you're starting off. Let's get it out of here. Just take a quick tour. This will be probably a pretty quick video, but this is just my unboxing and initial impressions. And like I did last month, I'm going to have this at the end of the month along with everything else I look at to have my final judgment and let you guys know if it's worth your time and your money and all that stuff, because I'm always going to give you guys honest feedback and reviews, so you're not going into these things blind. But so far so good. So yeah, it's a $28 knife, which this is, I think a budget knives, I'm thinking like 30 to 75 bucks. So this falls into under budget, or like actually cheaper knife, or cheap knife category. And so far, just looking at the material, we got look at the scales right there. Shredded carbon fiber, which is nutso on a under $30 knife. It's almost unheard of, and it feels super smooth. Not too shiny, which is fine. I don't like my carbon fiber to be too shiny, but you can actually, you can see all the carbon fiber nice and shredded in there, but not feeling any kind of hot spots, which is very surprising for a knife at this price point. You're always going to feel like you're going to have some kind of snag somewhere. All right. Screws, machining. Got your pivot there. And it's like a little, the ring looks like it's a kind of a bronze color, maybe a little lighter, but nice. Screws are pretty flush except for the ones on, the little plate here for your reversible carry. It's so nice to have something that's reversible finally. I've been kind of striking out on that point, but for our lefties out there, you can rejoice. This is a reversible. Take a look at the side here. Looking like some stainless steel liners. We'll get into the specs here once I open her up. Probably looks like a G10 spacer maybe? Not sure exactly. Doesn't really say, but that's nice. Your pivot screw, again, with that anodized ring there. And the pocket clip is nice and tight. You have about a 1/4 inch sticking out of your pocket, looks like. But yeah, it is reversible, so that's a good deal. Let's take a look at the centering real quick. Yeah, it's on point, man. It is centered. And you got the nice jibbing right there. Actually feels real nice. Kind of spaced out, but that's actually nice and grippy. Cool. Then the flipper. Flipper also has some jimping on there. Also feels real nice. Let's go ahead and stop bull crapping and pop it open. All right. Wow. Okay. Let's try that one more time. I am very fidgety, so action is super important, and that it's got some good action. Let's try it. Let's try some other options. Reverse flicks on time. Heck yeah. Let's see. How's it work from the front? Oh, crap. Dude. Okay, I'm going to wipe this off real quick. Let's talk about this thing. First impressions of the action. I am pretty shocked. It's very smooth. Like higher end budget smooth, if you want to call it that. Nice stonewash finish on the blade. Looks pretty good. Almost looks like it has a little hamon on there. Is that what you call it? I don't know. I'm not good with words. Anyways, it's a Bowie style. The blade is nice looking. Let's feel that edge real quick. Yep. Nice and sharp out of the box. I love that. It's got a little branding there on that side. Let's flip her over. And I haven't mentioned specs, but that is DC53 steel. Yeah. Let's go over some specs real quick. So overall length on this guy, 7.87 inches with a 3.35 inch blade. Let's check out the ergos. Holy crud. And as you guys, if you watch my videos before, I have bigger hands, and if you can see, let's see how we can do that. Yeah, it fits in there perfectly right from the, yep. And it fills the hand. Choke up on it. Dude, that feels freaking amazing. I'm not fanboying here, but this is I'm impressed. I'm not going to lie. Let's close her up. I want to check that action one more time. The lock's got a little drag on it, but that's going to break in. Just kind of clips at the end there, but clicks in real nice. Let's check the acoustics. I love acoustics. It's got good sound to it too. I mean, I'm trying to find something that doesn't impress me in this thing so far. I'm trying to find, the chink in the armor, if you want to call it that, but I'm not finding anything so far. Holy crap. What a surprise. Well, I guess these guys, thanks Witty for doing your video on this, because I never would probably check them out unless you did that. But I'm super impressed with this. I'm going to put it through its rounds. Wow, let's reverse flick again. Wow. Dang. Let's do a size comparison. What do we got? Let's take this Kershaw here. Might be up. All right, so yeah. Oops, sorry, let's slide that up so you guys can see it. Similar size. I can't remember the name of this Kershaw. Holy crap. Anyways, it'll pop up. I'll put in the description maybe if I remember. But very similar size. Actually, feels about. Actually, you know what? I think that I like the ergos on this one better. And I'm a big fan of this knife here too. Even though I can't remember the name because I'm an idiot. But yeah, of course, price point super different on this guy. This is a little more expensive. But let's put this guy away. Yeah. So yeah, off the initial impression, I am pleasantly surprised with this knife, and I am gonna go. Well, anyways, I'm mumbling. This will be in my end of the month roundup, like I do with like I did last month. I'm gonna do that every month, and we're gonna have a bunch of other knives this month to compare it with. But it's for my first knife look at unboxing for March. I am thoroughly impressed, and this might win for the month. Who knows? But yeah, if you guys haven't gotten one of these yet, please check them out, because I'm gonna have fun with this thing. Anyways, nice short video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. If you guys want to leave a like, go ahead and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that. Leave a comment. I'd love to talk to you guys about it if you have questions, or if you have your own and you want to you want to praise it or diss it or whatever you want to do. Just let me know. But thanks again for watching, guys. And as always, thanks to all the veterans and active duty folks out there. I love you guys, and I love you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.